It's always the same.
Someday you'll see! I'll be Lord Hokage! I'll show you! I'll show all of you! One of these days, I'm gonna be the Hokage. I'll surpass every last one of them who came before me. And when that day finally comes, everyone in the village will respect me at last.
Now the final test will be on the clone jutsu.
Multi-shadow clone jutsu. Ah, not this again! That one is my words jutsu! Shadow clone jutsu!
Huh, there's no such thing as a hero. You're just full of stupid ideas!
I'm going to prove it! I'll prove that it's true, in this world there are real heroes! Sorry I'm a little late. But you know how it is. Heroes usually show up at the last minute. I vow to win.
All of those shinobi were born destined to become Hokage. It's not something you become just by trying. Each one of them was chosen by destiny.
I don't quit, and I don't go back on my word.
That's right, but if you think you're the one who can prove me wrong, well, be my guest.
You got it! I'm gonna show you you're wrong about a lot of things, starting right now!
What's the point of teaching it to someone who can never master it, you old fool? Giving him false hopes like that. Filling his head with stupid ideas. Making him think he could actually be Hokage someday.
Little kids think life is so easy. That's why they're always going on and on about their dreams. That's why they never give up. They chase some stupid dream and die.
Until I become Hokage, I don't care what happens, I am not gonna die! Rasengan!
You with no answers and no solutions, just give up!
Just give up! I'm trying to make me give up! Rasengan! Don't you get it? It doesn't matter how strong my opponent is. If he tears off my arms, I'll just kick him dead. If he tears off my legs, I'll bite him dead. If he tears off my head, I'll sear him dead. If he gouges out my eyes, I'll curse him dead.